In this video, we'll be looking for a date function. Here you can see the today function. If you want today's date, how you get it? I type here function equal to today function. Just enter. That's it. You can get today's date by using this today function. What is the thing about this date is if you open your Excel tomorrow, you can get tomorrow date because this function is connected to your system date. Therefore, when you open this Excel any day, the function show you that day date. Hope you understand how to use today function. That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like it.